Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to do a video of me unboxing this Samsung A80 Blackpink edition. I received this box on 8 August 2019, which is also the date where Blackpink celebrating their 3rd anniversary, and I'm so excited to unboxing it. So let's do it. Unboxing. Wow. Okay, this is the Blackpink Kill This Love mini album. Okay, this is cool. I got the pink one and now I have the black one. Yay! So I have 2 albums now. Wow. Okay. So I have to take this out first. What's inside? Wow. Whoa! This have like all the things. There are songs here. Writing is beautiful. It's cute. Okay, and this is the phone. There's also down here Blackpink Kill This Love. Blackpink. Wow, it's so cool. So cool. This is the phone, and this is the thing. And oh, okay, down here we have the watch and the parts. Okay, fine. Oh, it looks like the drawer. Yeah, this looks like drawer. Here you can only use SIM card from Southeast Asian. This is the warranty, and this is the phone, guys. Oh my god. Okay, it comes with the fast charger. Blackpink. Jennie, Jisoo, Rose, Lisa, yeah. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. I might leave my phone like this all day. Okay, shut down. Okay, you can see all the pink and black combination. This is cool. All the theme. So all the apps here is all black and pink. Okay guys, so let's see the camera. Wow. Okay, so let's see how it do the selfie. Okay, let's take a picture. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy there. Gonna get in this phone. Wow. Okay, fine, bye. Okay, let's look at the other things. Okay, just now we already unboxed this phone. You can see Jisoo, Rose, and Lisa. This is so cool. I love it so much. I never thought I would love this phone. Okay. This is the Blackpink watch active, so I'm not sure how to turn it on. I'm going to press it, or do I have to charge it first? Blackpink! Oh my god, so even the watch is also have a Blackpink special edition one. Oh my god, I just knew. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let me configure you. And the phone just make a sound. Later, I will play with you later. Blackpink. So and looks inside. Oh, it's like doing a propose, you know, marriage. Will you marry me? Okay, and here is the earbud. Oh, it's a very small one. Very small. Wow. And it has a pink and black color, but it doesn't stated anything like showing it's a Blackpink edition things. But of course we know black and pink color, right? So, but actually I was expecting like maybe a BP or something on this surface here, but it doesn't have anything. But it's okay. I'm still going to wear it, okay? And if I'm able to wear it, no one will see because it will be inside my tudung. And sorry guys, I'll be busy listening to song instead of listening to you, so I'm sorry, okay? This is like so cool, so cute. I love it. So if let's say on Monday bosses are calling me, so I'll be like, I activate my phone, I'll be like, ah, such a mood booster. Oh, Lisa, you're asking me what time right now? Okay, oh, it's 1 PM already. Let's go for lunch. Oh wait, I'm going to listen to my music. Okay, bye bye.